Let me ask you something. Why do you feel tired even on days when you don't do much? Why does your body feel heavy, your mind feel slow, and your motivation disappears even when you really want to change? If you're a student who wakes up tired, sits all day, procrastinates important work, and then feels guilty at night, you're not alone. And no, you're not lazy. Most students don't fail because they lack discipline. They fail because nobody taught them the real connection between physical fitness and mental strength. Today, I want to share the physical fitness secrets nobody talks about, secrets that can completely change your energy, focus, and confidence as a student. Stay with me, because this is not about gym bodies or six-pack abs. This is about building a body that supports your studies, not fights against them. Here's the first truth you need to hear. Motivation does not come before action. Action comes before motivation. Most students wait to feel motivated before exercising or moving their body. That feeling never comes. Science shows that your brain releases motivation chemicals after you move, not before. That means even a small movement can wake up your mind. Right now, if you're sitting, straighten your back. Roll your shoulders. Take a deep breath. That small action already changed your state. You don't need big workouts. You need small, consistent movement. Now listen carefully. If you feel exhausted all the time, it's not because you study too much. It's because your body barely moves. Students sit in class, sit at home, sit on the bed scrolling, sit while studying. Your body was designed to move, not to stay still for 10 hours a day. When you don't move, blood flow to the brain slows, oxygen drops, focus disappears. That's why you feel sleepy, distracted, and mentally tired. Movement is not extra. Movement is fuel for the brain. That's why a short walk can clear your head more than another cup of coffee. Here's a simple habit you can use today. After every 60 to 90 minutes of studying, stand up and move for just 2 minutes. Stretch, walk, shake your arms. That's it. Your brain resets and studying becomes easier. Now, let's talk about mornings. Most people tell students to wake up early and work out for 1 hour. That advice sounds good, but it's unrealistic. Here's the real secret. You don't need long workouts in the morning. You need activation. In the first 30 minutes after waking up, your brain decides what kind of day this will be, active or lazy. If the first thing you do is grab your phone and lie down, your brain stays in sleep mode all day. But if you move your body even for 5 minutes, your brain switches on. Try this simple routine in the morning. A few squats, arm circles, jumping jacks, deep breathing. You're not doing this to get fit. You're doing this to tell your brain, I'm active, I'm in control. That small win builds confidence for the whole day. Now, let's talk about procrastination. Most students think procrastination is a time problem. It's not. It's a body problem. A tired body creates a distracted mind. When your body feels heavy and uncomfortable, your brain avoids effort. That's why you keep delaying tasks even when you know they're important. Physical movement increases dopamine, reduces stress hormones, and improves focus. Here's a powerful trick. Before starting a study session, do 30 to 60 seconds of fast movement. Not scrolling, not lying down, just move. You'll sit down with less resistance and more clarity. Now, something very important that nobody talks about. Fitness is not only about pushing hard, it's about knowing when to slow down. Burnout doesn't come from studying too much, it comes from not recovering properly. At night, your body needs calm signals, light stretching, slow breathing, no intense workouts. This tells your nervous system you're safe, you can rest. Better sleep means better focus tomorrow. And yes, sleep is part of physical fitness. Now, listen to this carefully. Don't think, I need to be fit. Think, I respect my body. You don't move because you hate how you look. You move because you care about who you're becoming. And if nobody told you this before, you are not behind in life. You're just learning the rules now.
You're not weak, you're tired. And tired students don't need pressure. They need simple habits, understanding, and support. Start small. Move every day. Protect your energy. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button. Subscribe for more real student life guidance, and share this with a friend who feels stuck and exhausted. Your body is not your enemy. It's your strongest tool. I'll see you in the next video.